Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Trips. In this video, I will show you how to take screenshot in Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to Chrome, then type Google Chrome extension and search it. Now you can see here Google Chrome Store. Click on it. Now on the home page, go to search bar and type web page screenshot. The third one you have to install in your Chrome. Web page screenshot, entire page screenshot. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. You have to install in your Chrome. Then after installing it in your Chrome, for example, I will show you how to take screenshot. Go to extension. As you can this option here, extension option, click on it. Now you have to go to web page screenshot. As you can see here, click on it. Now you will see four option here. Whole page screenshot. This will take the whole web page screenshot, or you just need a desktop capture, or this will take screenshot on your desktop or anything you running on your PC or as well as your laptop. And you can also edit your screenshot here. So for example, I will give you example. Click on whole page screenshot. This will take screenshot of your whole home page. As you can see here, this is taking screenshot here. Now my whole web page have screenshot here. You can see here, you can scroll down. Now after taking screenshot, just tap on save option and it will save in your PC. As you can see here, my screenshot is saved. And you can also take different type of URL by again clicking on extension, then go to homepage screenshot. Now take desktop capture. Now it will start recording on your anything running on your PC or as well as your laptop. So for now I will choose deny option, and that's it. You have successfully taken a screenshot in Windows using a Google Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.